Hello friends and family and anyone that's watching. We are digging out from the blizzard of 2009 here in Denver, Colorado. Wanted to share a brief moment of what we are doing and what you will be seeing. So you can see the snow is starting to melt in certain spots, and where it's not, well, you're digging out. So take a look here as I move about. I want to show you some of these snow drifts. And how much snow we really did get. Oh, how much snow would you say we got? Hey you. Hello? How much snow would you say we got?
Over a foot, that's it.
Over a foot? Okay. So come with me. I'm going to take you. Hopefully it won't slide down here on my bottom and show you right down the street. Well, some areas are dug out and some are not. Look at this drift right here. See this drift? Is that something? That's nothing. I've been through a lot worse and a lot higher of snow drifts, so do enjoy. Just wanted to show you a little bit of what we're seeing and feeling here in Denver, Colorado. Have a great day.